Hello again, my third graders. We are going to go ahead and start talking about your summative assessment that you will be having for our unit. So when you log on to Blackboard, this is what you, of course, land on, the announcements. To go ahead and start talking about our summative assessments, you guys will need to click on Summative Assessment on the left-hand buttons. It'll take you to our area that'll just focus on the summative assessment. As you can see, here is our written explanation of what you guys will be doing. For this unit, you will be working on Google slide presentation with a small group. You will need to be creating something that includes participation. You will need to be contributing to your group. That will be part of your grade. You will need to participate in the group presentation. I would love if all of you could give at least 3 or more different details or facts in your group presentation. As we've been talking about in our class, it is very important that we all have a good voice level to share with other students and others when you guys grow up. And so I would love if you guys will speak loudly, go ahead and enunciate every word so that way your classmates can understand what you are wanting to share with them. And lastly, for this part of your summative assessment, you will be graded on a visually appealing presentation. Make it fun. Make your classmates want to listen to you and look at your presentation. Remember, again, with everything that we've been doing with Google Slides this year, you need to have a good text color and a good background color. Remember, you do not want dark blue on black background or a light yellow on a white background. Use totally different colors. Also up here, you will read and see that you will also need to be doing an informative essay. For this informative essay, you will be graded more on the details and the research that you and your partners and small group come up with. So let's go ahead and go down to your rubric for your informative essay. You will need to write several paragraphs to get a 10 points on this. You will need to write at least 4 paragraphs with each paragraph, including 5 to 7 sentences. This should be doable for all of you as we've been working on this throughout the school year so far. And then it goes down in points for depending on how many paragraphs you write. For details and research, this is the big important part that I want you all to focus on. You need to provide at least 10 pieces of research to support your writing. Remember, we are writing an informative essay. For informative essays, we need to include information in an informative essay. So please remember to take notes with your own research that you will be doing, as well as taking notes from your partners in your small group. That is what our wiki and our discussion boards will be for. You will be able to share research with your team, and then that way that will really help you in your informative essay. And of course, the mechanics of writing. We need to have correct capitalization and punctuation. If you have any questions, remember to ask your group, ask your partner, and of course, I will be in our classroom helping to guide all of you. You can ask me in our face-to-face class time or in your journal writing.